Good morning. It's Mike McCrickard from Automotive Management Solutions. Let's look at Protractor today and see how to quote 3 different levels of tires. So we'll go to our Protractor prioritization screen. We're going to come up and click on the template, a new work order. I made my template and named it Quick Tire Quote 3 Options. We're going to select the customer here. We'll select Mr. Thorley. We'll select his Chevrolet truck, his Silverado. We click select here. Now that the work order is open, you'll notice I have one service for the mounting and balancing. I have another service for the good tires, another service for the better, and another service for the best. So now we just need to look up the tires. So we go to our catalog lookup. Our tire quote comes up. We're going to select the LT with the standard tire, full-wheel drive. We select that one and click OK, and you notice here it's looking for the good tire. I have it looking up the good tire first. We click OK. I'm using TCI as my supplier today. You can see the different types of and brands of tires, the cost on the tire, how many the store has. So here I'm going to select this tire as my good tire and click apply. Now it's looking up my better tire. Select the same vehicle here. We click OK. Now it's looking up my better tire. So I come here and select what I consider to be my better tire. I click apply. Now it's looking up my best tire. Tire fitment comes up. We select the same truck. Now we select the best truck, the best one. We click apply. So what I've done here, if you look at the work order, is I've got a good, better, best tire. We've got a price, and we've got a total for all of them. So the customer's asking me how much is it for just the better tire. So we come over here, we go to our review service packages. We want to take the check out of the good and the best, leave the check in the better tire, and here we have a price out the door. Shop supplies, tire disposal, tire fees, everything is included in this price. But the customer says that's a little much, let me look and see the cheaper tire. So we can click on the good tire, take the check out of the better tire, and now we have a price for that tire. So you just leave a check in whichever tire that you want. You click apply service packages, package choices. You can enter a note here. We click OK, and now we have a work order with the good tires. I hope that shows you how to do a great tire quote using the good, better, best system. And if you have any questions, please call AMS at 1-800-566-9325. Thank you. Have a great day.